Okay, tell us what you like to do.
I'm a cat.
You're weird. Hey, Madonna, that's enough. Okay, stop it.
Do you really think you're a cat? You're not a cat, you're a girl. She's acting like a cat.
Donna,
Hey?
where are those chicken livers you say?
Oh, they in there somewhere. Why? Okay.
Terry. Hey, Terry.
Ew.
Come on. Come on. There you go. That there's your breakfast.
Huh?
The cats around here got to eat, chicken livers and little mice and things like that. So if you want to be a cat, we're going to set a plate of food out for you every day. And you can sleep out on the porch. But you got to be watchful of them raccoons and coyotes and possums and slugs, and they get you.
WC, what have you done?
Something Solomon would do.
Oh, you think that's gonna make her feel better?
Maybe that's why he had all them wives. Kept looking for a woman that wouldn't question him all the time.